Alright guys, so we're going to just jump right in. I like to take this Revitalizing Rose Water. I got this at Walmart as well. I believe it was like $6, $6.98, so maybe $7. And I just like to drown myself in this. Like drowned, because I want so much moisture in my face because it's so dry right now. So for my foundation, I usually go in with this number 7 Lift and Illuminate foundation, the shade Cool Vanilla, I believe. Yeah, Cool Vanilla. I've loved this foundation. I think it wears beautifully. It's not full coverage, which I don't go for full coverage. But I've recently found this new foundation at my Walmart, and it's the Kokie Skin Perfect HD foundation, and this is in the shade 20W. I've heard a lot of good reviews on this, and so I wanted to try it out. Well, I got the 20 warm, and I feel like it's a little too light on my skin. I feel like it makes me look super washed out. So I recently mixed it with this number 7, and it kind of goes together because this is like a thick consistency, whereas this one is a more watery, you know? And I just run it down my neck like this. And recently I've been loving to use a brush for my foundation. I feel like if I use a brush and then go over it with a sponge, it looks more smooth and flawless. So that's what I do. And I just kind of pack it in. You just really want to pack it in there. So then I'll just take this kind of like all over my face. Just really, and I'll just start dabbing it all over the rest of my face. And then if there's any excess on my finger, I just wipe it off on the brush because I'm gonna use the brush to top in the foundation anyway, so. I will say, right now with the way my face is, like skincare routine, I don't like the way this foundation sits. I feel like it sits on top of my skin instead of soaking into my skin. But that could probably be just because of my skincare. I have changed it up. I have used some different, I have been using some different skincare, so that could be causing problems as well and causing the foundation to sit on top of my skin. So we're just gonna kind of test it out. We're gonna do all kinds of different stuff, and then I will let you guys know in like a week or two of using it if I really like it, or if it's just kind of not my thing. So then for concealer, I take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Again, this is another drugstore. Most of the stuff that I use is drugstore, being that we do not have a Sephora, an Ulta, or anything where I'm at. So we just make do with what we got, because I hate ordering stuff online, because I hate waiting for it. So I'd rather just wait to go into the actual store and purchase it and go home with it, because again, I hate waiting for stuff. So I'm going to take that on my nose, my chin, and my forehead. We're just going to blend, basically, and blend that out. The Mercier Translucent powder, and I just put it on the back of a lid. I'll take a dry sponge and just kind of set my under eyes. At first I did not like this powder because I felt like it was a little too like banana shady for me. Like I'm not with the banana shade. Like I don't want to brighten and all that stuff. But recently I've been loving how it looks like in photos and stuff like that. So I've been using it like all over my face. We're gonna go in with this Wet n Wild pressed powder. It's in the shade Warm Light. take it on a Wet and Wild brush, and we're just gonna pat that into the rest of the face just because we want to set the face. But while we're doing that, I'm gonna dust away the rest of my bake that I had on. So I take this LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. Use this shade right here to contour my face with. I take it on a little flat, like contouring brush. It's super dense, but it's super soft at the same time. But I just like to take that and just kind of work it in there. I like to start right here in my cheek and kind of blend outwards and then blend forward, blend outwards and blend forward, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of work that in there. And then I like to take this on my jawline as well because I do have a double chin, but that's okay. We're gonna chisel that bad boy out. I like to take it underneath my chin, kind of like this, to give me the illusion that my chin is here and here. So it's like, you know, and this is kind of sunken in. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So now that that's done, I like to go in with bronzer right after, and I use the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula, and this is the light bronzer. Just a brush like this, really fluffy, and kind of swirl it in there, tap it off, and then go right above that contour, just because we want to mix the two together, but you want to also bring like warmth to your face. And then I'll take this on my temples. So basically everywhere I put the contour, you're gonna wanna put it there. For a touch-up blush, I like to use this Blush Subtle blush powder in Rose. It comes like in a little compact like this. It looks more of like a pink, baby pink color. And I take, honestly, I barely do this. Tap it off. And press it into my cheeks just because I'm not big of a blush fan. Take my Mario Badescu, I don't know how the hell you say it, but my spray, and I just, woo! Then I take the back end of my sponge and press that into my face just to get it right up in there. Make sure it sets all that powder. I take my Physicians Formula. I take a little Real Techniques, what is this called? Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And I take that bronzer and I just run it down my nose. Because, again, I have like a nose problem, but I don't know what to do about it. Aha! Did you get it? But then I will take the same brush and the same bronzer and I just pop that in my crease massively, like messy, because who cares? Only constructive criticism, right? Right. That's all it is. That's all it is, and I love it, and just whatever, right? Whatever. All that is done, I like to take this Lancome. It's basically a base for your mascara, like a primer, as you shall say, I guess. It's super white, so you gotta be super careful putting it on. But I feel like when I put this on and I'm not wearing false eyelashes, it makes my eyelashes look a little like long and noticeable. Not just like a little stubble on my eyelids because I have no lashes. And I hate when I don't have any false lashes because then I have to do something with my lashes. And I'm like, are you kidding me right now? Like, is this a joke? For mascara, I've been using this L'Oreal Carbon Black mascara. I thank my mom for this mascara because she always has like really black lashes. And I'm like, yo, what are you using? And she said, oh, I use this one, sweetie. My mom doesn't talk like that, but she's like, I use this one and it's cool. But I guess it's not the same one. I don't know, but it looked like the same one that she had on her dresser, so I bought it. I have that problem. I take this NYX or NYX or whatever you want to call it, Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm, and I just draw on my lips. What is wrong with me, literally? And then I'll take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. And just... For the best part ever, I take gloss. This is the Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel. Wow, that's a mouthful. And this is in the shade Perfect Nude. And just go over that bad boy with some gloss because I'm all about gloss, okay? Gloss is making its comeback, all right? So, I saved the best for last and I'm so excited because I have recently found this. This is an e.l.f. product that cost me $6. $6! And this is the Shimmer Highlighting Powder. Now y'all about to be shook, okay? Because I went and looked on the e.l.f. website and they have a whole bunch more. I thought they only had one, but they have so many different colors. So if you're feeling crazy, there's some more colors for you. But look at this stinking highlight, guys. Like, are you kidding me? Like, you're joking with me right now. Like, this is not an e.l.f. highlighter. Like, you're kidding. I just take this little mist spray my brush because I'm feeling crazy. And I like to be highlighted. I like to look super dewy and So I zoomed you guys in because I want you to see what I'm freaking talking about, okay? So again, pow, pow, pow. Can we not? Can we just stop? Like, $6. Like, oh my God, lather me in this. What are you talking about? Oh, jeez. And crackers. Holy guacamole noodle soup. Holy cannolis. Can we just appreciate e.l.f. right now? Can we? Ah. Again, spray my brush because we're trying to get this highlighter poppin'. Jesus Christ. Jeez. Oh my Lord. Have you ever been excited to put highlighter on? Like, I think I saved the highlighter last just because I love. Then, after I get done shining to the gloss, after I get done glowing to the gods on my cheeks, okay, I like to take this a wee bit on my chin. Just a wee bit. We don't want like something, oh well, it's already too dramatic, so who cares? Then I'll take it on the tip of my nose, kind of down the bridge. You want to just kind of feather it on there. And on the tip of your nose. And I like to take it right above, wow, who has taught me how to speak? Right above my eyebrow, and just kind of really blend that in because I don't want it to be like pow, too shiny, because I want my cheeks to be like pow, pow. You get it? Sorry guys, I'm literally this weird. Like I literally act like this at home, and my poor husband, but he married me, so whatever, right? Whatever, who cares? All right guys, so this is the end of the video. This is the final look. I know you guys already saw it in the intro, but here it is again. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe to my channel, share, comment, do whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out, gangsters, wanna be wanksters.